So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. In this video I will show you Instagram Reels view not showing and also Instagram view stuck at the 0. Lot of Instagram user has been reporting to Instagram Reels view stuck at the 0. The reason why your view are stuck at the 0 on Reels is because of some Instagram bugs, as you many already know. Thousands of videos are uploaded on the Instagram Reels every day. Sometimes Instagram system fail to update your views. There is no specific reasons why this happen, but most probably it that there is some problem at your hands, like in your Instagram app and also smartphone. Then you are absolutely wrong. So guys, in this video I will show you 5 solutions for that issue on your iPhone and Android. So guys, before the starting video, please make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. Now I will discuss about the first solution for the Instagram Reels view not showing and also Instagram Reels view stuck at the 0. The first solution is update your Instagram application. You might be using older version of the Instagram applications on your smartphone and iPhone. Now question is how to fix that issue on my iPhone and Android devices. So guys, please make sure follow the steps. Now first of all, important thing is strong Wi-Fi and mobile data to connect your iPhone and Android devices. When mobile data and Wi-Fi is connected, now open the Play Store in Android and App Store in the iPhone. Now search the Instagram in the search bar at the top corner. Now you can see also first option is Instagrams. If you any updates available, please make sure latest versions to update your Instagram applications and easy to fix your problems. Now I will discuss about the second solutions for that issue. The solution is clear cache data. To fix any kind of the technical glitch in the app from your side, then please make sure clear cache and clear data on Instagram applications. Now question is how to. Now first of all, open the settings app. In the settings app, scroll down and select the app management. In the app management, find out the Instagram applications on your iPhone and Android devices. When the find out the Instagram applications, now tap on the storage uses. Now you can see also two options available, clear data and clear cache. So guys, please make sure clear data and clear cache on your Instagram applications, this way to fix your problems. Now I will discuss about the third solution. The third solution is re-login your account on your iPhone and Android. Some people have suggested to log out your Instagram account, then re-login it again to update your view on your Instagram Reels on your iPhone and Android. Now question is what to do now. First of all, open the Instagram applications. Now you can see also profile icon at the right hand side bottom. Now please make sure tap on the 3 lines at the right hand side corner and now tap on the settings. In the settings, scroll down and second last option is log out your account. Now please make sure tap on that, sometime wait, then again re-login your account on your iPhone and Android. So guys, this way to fix your problems. So guys, now fourth solution is most important. The solution is try different phone. It might be possible that Instagram is showing 0 only on your smartphone due to some technical glitch and network issue. You can use different phone to cross check these things. So guys, this way too you can easily fix your problems. Now I will discuss about the last solution for that issue. The last thing is you can do is wait until its bug get fixed by Instagram team. So guys, wait for the Instagram teams easily fix your problems. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also this comment on this comment sections. I will try to fix your problems as soon as. Thank you so much.